If you're making a living as a coach, chances are you're pretty clear on your life's mission. You're probably not second guessing your purpose as much as other entrepreneurs in other fields. You know what you're here to do. Coaches like you are some of the most heartfelt people on the planet, and it can be hard to capture your genuine spirit on a website geared towards sales, right? Which can make marketing your business feel, well, sort of cringy. But trust me on this. When you include the right elements on your website, your mission, heart, and expertise are sure to come across in a genuine way. And you'll start attracting ideal clients in no time. You know, the kind that are willing to pay premium pricing for your expert services because you truly deserve it. I'm Moriah, the founder and creative director of Moriah Riona Branding, and I'm passionate about empowering female coaches, consultants, and online entrepreneurs with luxury branding so they can claim financial freedom. On this channel, I share everything I know about building your brand, your online authority, and your audience so you can charge your worth and build a thriving business. If you want to learn how to position yourself and your brand as a leader in your niche and start attracting higher paying clients, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. In this video, I'm teaching you the 5 most crucial pages to include on your website so you can establish your authority, build trust, and appeal directly to your dream clients. Let's dive in. Number 1, your homepage. Your homepage has a super important purpose. Its job is to immediately attract your ideal client while actively repelling everyone else. It sounds kind of harsh, doesn't it? But if you think about it, this weeds out the people who won't benefit from your services and speaks directly to the people looking for your specific solution. And that's actually pretty refreshing, don't you think? Click the like button below if you agree. Your homepage achieves this by instantly communicating who you are, what you do, and why your ideal client needs you. I'm always so shocked by the number of websites I visit where I can't tell what the entrepreneur does. Don't be that website. Be clear right away. To see this in action, take a look at the homepage for Nicole McHugh, one of our clients. See how everything on her page speaks to a particular person looking for a very specific solution. As part of her luxury branding experience, we helped Nicole define her ideal client, millennials who want to build passive income through luxury property rentals. And we built her branding and her website to attract exactly that person. From the logo to the words on the webpage, the right person is constantly reaffirmed that they're in the right place. Number 2, your about page. Think of your about page as the sidekick to your homepage, where the homepage reaffirms to the visitor that they are indeed in the right place. The about page should be used to build an even deeper connection with them. This means your messaging and mission should resonate with their values and needs, so it really pays off to research and learn as much as possible about your ideal client. If you're not sure how to do that, check out my video, Ideal Client Avatar for Life Coaches, 5 steps to getting booked out. To see this approach in real life, let's look at the about page for Illumin Coaching. This is another one of our incredible clients, and I want you to notice what we did on her about page. It's very much geared toward the audience, not the coach. The design and copy on Michelle's page keeps the audience engaged all the way to the bottom. That's because the reader feels very seen and understood throughout the page. You might have thought your about page was supposed to be about you, but in reality, a great about page is about the ideal client and how you connect with them. If you could use some expert guidance on defining, attracting, and booking your ideal clients, be sure to check out my guide, Client Breakthrough. Grab your copy with the link below. Number 3, your signature program sales page. As you build out your signature program or service, a powerful sales page is absolutely crucial. This page is where you pitch your offer, and that offer needs to be designed to be irresistible to your ideal client. From the perspective of genuinely wanting to meet your ideal client's needs, your sales page immediately becomes a more authentic reflection of your heart and your mission. And that sort of empathy just zaps the cringe factor away. A great sales page combines thoughtful design, stunning imagery, and captivating copy. And these 3 elements should work together to create a page that's not only informative, but extremely compelling. You're going to want to take the time to ensure every one of those 3 elements is super high quality, because your sales page is where your audience will ultimately land after traveling through your funnel. Simply put, the sales page is what closes the deal. And if you'd like to see more sales from your website, type "close the deal" in the comments down below. Number 4, your contact page or program application page. If your website is doing its job, you'll have ideal clients looking for a way to get in touch with you or work with you. And it's your job to make the next step extremely easy. Make sure to include an easily accessible contact page so you can capture every single one of those interested leads. And your contact page doesn't need to be boring. In fact, it should have the exact same energy, messaging, and branding as the rest of your website. To see what I mean, check out the contact page for another one of our clients, Mandy Straight. Notice how even the contact page is geared towards solving the audience's problem. And it's done with Mandy's signature colorful, fun, and empowering style, from the imagery right down to the copy. Now, that's how you do a contact page. But there's an alternative I'd like to mention too, and you may want to apply this in your business. I decided not to have a contact page when I rebranded and launched my website earlier this year, which was admittedly a bold choice. I made this decision because I realized that my contact page resulted in way too many unqualified leads, spam, and collab opportunities that I just wasn't interested in. All of this was cluttering my inbox and wasting my time. So I decided to lead my visitors to a detailed application form for my signature program instead, right at the bottom of my program page. Depending on your niche and offerings, this might be a better route for you too. Number 5, your blog. Okay, so technically it isn't a page, but I think it's so incredibly important for coaches, service providers, and entrepreneurs who are trying to become niche leaders. Blogging is a great tool for regularly connecting with your ideal clients, and it's really effective at establishing your authority in your industry. That's why we include high-end blog designs on all of our clients' websites, and it's why our own marketing strategy revolves around our blog. But if you're still not convinced that you really need to be blogging, I want you to check out my video, Blogging Advice for Small Business Owners. It might change your mind. Now you're in on the top 5 things to include in a website for life coaches, so you can build a website of your own that genuinely attracts your dreamiest clients and keeps them around. But if you want to learn exactly how to create an irresistible luxury experience for those new high-end clients of yours, you'll want to download my free 10-page guide, 7 Steps to a Luxury Brand. In it, you'll discover how to create a waitlist-worthy brand experience so you can start commanding premium pricing for your incredible services. Grab your copy with the link below. If this video was helpful to you, I'm sure you'll love this one, where you'll learn how to start earning more while working less by positioning your brand as a luxury brand. And for more of my best tips on luxury branding and entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to this channel.